Okay, this question is so true. I have so much stuff I want to do at the end of quarantine. But anyways, let's figure out this sentence. And so what we're looking at is this little piece of it right here. By the end of quarantine, I will have more than a year's worth of people I want to see and fun things to do. So this question is asking about two things. The first one is then versus than. And then the second thing is years versus years with the comma on the outside. So let's figure out then versus than first. Then is time, an order word, I'm going to say. So I do this, then this, right? Than is a comparing word. So it's like, I would rather do this than this. So what are we doing here? We're saying I will have more than a year's worth of people. So it's not, you're not really asking about an order here. You're kind of comparing how many people you would want to see, kind of like theoretically, to like if you didn't have quarantine to if you do have quarantine. So it is going to be a comparison. So this is going to be than. So the way it is correct, currently incorrect. Now the second thing. So commas, if you remember, if it's written this way, that means that there's only one subject who owns something in possession. If you have it on the outside, that means there's two subjects in possession. So like another example, if you had, let's say you want to say my mother's, what does you remember? My mother's shoes. My mother's shoes. That would go here. But let's say there's lots of mothers. How about, so then we would say our mother's, and this would go on the outside, shoes. Because let's say there's 10 mothers here. So that's the difference between these commas. So now here we have to figure out, do we have 1 year or do we have lots of years? And the key clue here is a. So if you have the word a, that's a singular word. So that means you only have 1 year. So that's meaning to me to put the apostrophe before that S. So this is going to be the right way. So then let's figure out the answer that has both of these. So not this one, not this one. This has than and this has than. And then this is the one where the apostrophe is in the right place. So